Best mobility routines for beginners. Top 5 starter moves.
Discover 5 essential mobility exercises perfect for beginners. These routines help improve flexibility, increase range of motion, and reduce stiffness. Whether you're new to exercise or simply want to move better every day, these foundational moves will set you up for success. Let's explore the top 5 mobility routines every beginner should know.
1. Cat-cow stretch.
The cat-cow stretch is a gentle movement that warms up your spine and relieves tension. Start on your hands and knees. Alternate between arching your back, cat, and dropping your belly, cow. This simple routine improves spinal flexibility, helps posture, and can ease lower back pain. Great for morning routines or as part of your workout warm-ups.
2. Hip flexor stretch.
Tight hips are common, especially if you sit often. The hip flexor stretch loosens the front of your hips, improving lower body mobility. Kneel with one foot forward and gently push your hips forward, feeling a stretch in the hip and thigh. This move is essential for better walking, running, and overall comfort.
3. World's greatest stretch.
Despite its name, this stretch is beginner-friendly and effective. Step into a lunge, lower your torso, and rotate your body gently toward your front leg. This one move targets your hips, back, shoulders, and legs, making it a highly efficient, whole-body mobility exercise. Add it to your routine to boost everyday movement.
4. T-spine openers.
Thoracic spine openers, or T-spine rotations, help combat upper back stiffness. Lie on your side, stack your knees, stretch your arms forward, and slowly rotate your top arm open and back. This mobility exercise improves spinal rotation, posture, and can lessen neck and back tension from sitting.
5. Ankle circles.
Ankle mobility is often overlooked, but crucial for stable movement and injury prevention. Simply draw slow, controlled circles with each ankle while seated or standing. This exercise prepares your body for walking, running, or any physical activity, making it perfect for beginners aiming for all-round improvement.
Start your mobility journey today.
Incorporating these 5 foundational moves into your daily routine supports healthy joints, better posture, and greater freedom of movement. Remember to move gently and listen to your body. As you build confidence and flexibility, you'll be ready for more advanced routines. Stay consistent and notice the positive changes over time.